Hi family, I quickly want you to show our new Vendetta dashboard where you have all the information, where you can combine all your wallets to have one place for everything. You just click create anonymous account and the website will create you an account. It will show you the login details below and save it. You never will see it again. And then you just can use it to log in. The login data automatically will be added here. So once you log in, you will be on the main dashboard where you can see like a small overview about the contract address, market cap, and so on, the supply, how much is burned. And here you have like a little box for you where you can see your total balance across all your wallets, how much it's totally worth, how much wallets you have, and what is your status. You can grow from shrimp to humpback, and you have a little progress bar here where you can see how much far you are away to be the humpback. Then you see some liquidity pools information. You can see the totals, like how much buybacks we have done so far, how many RevShares went to holders so far, and how much is burned. And then you see the new Vendetta, which is basically our new system because we always do a buy and a burn. Here you can see our earnings, which is always live, how much we will buy back and burn, how much we will just buy back, how much ACC is earning, how much we will use to buy back, and how much there will be effectively burned. You will see how much the price will be after the buyback and the burn, approximately. And then you will see your current value across all your wallets and how much them worth after the buyback and the burn, and how much the increases. And here, the interesting part, you will see how much your share, which you're currently holding, will increase thanks to the burn, and how much the increase, the percentage, is worth. So, for example, if you still want your RevShare, you then just can sell these 10 ACC to have the same amount approximately you would have if you would pay the RevShare. While your initial percentage is not getting smaller as you're just selling the bit you got more. On the bottom you have your main wallet, which you can set once, so you will receive bonuses, prizes, RevShares in future, and so on. Everything to one wallet. You don't need to watch all your wallets again, or still you just can set one wallet and you will receive everything on this one wallet. If you want to add a wallet to check your balance and stuff, you just send 0.001 Solana to that address and paste the transaction link. And then you will see, and then the wallet will be verified, and then you will see it below at verified wallets, where you have a list of all your wallets and amounts per wallet, worth per wallet, and so on. Yes, that's it already. So it's very detailed. Just check it out yourself, and I'm quite sure you will like it very much. Bye bye.